All right, so setting up Facebook ads. The first thing you want to do though is get a business account set up through Facebook. You never want to do your personal account in Facebook. You always want to use the business account. So what you do is you just type in Facebook Business Manager right here. And then you'll see this link right here that pops up, Business Manager Overview. You click on that and then you sign up to get that account. So you just click on that and then it comes right into the page right here. Okay, so then what we're going to do on this, you can also, if you come in here to your page right here, this is another one of my so I have two Facebook accounts. The reason why I have a second account is because I have two Facebook ads accounts. In one of my accounts, I was a little aggressive on my Facebook ads, and they closed me down. So I had to create another one to do that. So now I really have two because they let me back into the other one. So this is going to be my other Facebook account that I have. But when you get into your drop down menu right here, I was just looking at this picture right here. So when you get to this drop down menu right here, it says Business Manager. You click on that and it takes you right into the page. Okay, so then what I want to do is I want to go, now that we got the Business Manager set up, the first thing you want to do is get your pixel going. Okay, it's always important to get your pixel up and running. If you don't know what a pixel is, it's a piece of code that you put on your website, and every time somebody comes to your website, Facebook grabs that person's IP, and what they do is they go look in their database to find out if that IP matches somebody in Facebook, or in basically somebody that has an account that has that IP that matches. And then what they're going to do is they're going to add that person to your customer base list. And when you run Facebook ads, initially you're going to run cold traffic. Now cold traffic is going to be a little more expensive, but once you start building up your audience, you can run ads to that audience, and that's going to be a lot cheaper ads going to that audience that you have. So here's, you just click on the Events Manager here. You go to Tools, and under Events Manager, it says Pixels. And then what you'll do is you'll set up a new pixel, and then I click on this Details over here. This has changed a little bit, so let's see here. Let's go back to, let's click on here, and I need to find oh, here it is. See where it says Setup over here to the right? Setup. So use an Instagram Tag Manager, manually install code yourself. So let's manually install the code right here, and it tells you where to put this. You put this in the head of your HTML. And what you do is you just copy this right here. So you just click on this and it copies to your clipboard. So it's automatically copied to your clipboard. So then if you're using, let's say you're using ClickFunnels or you're using any other type of HTML, there's always going to be a place to place your code in there. But I'm going to show you how to, if you're using WordPress, you can use a program called, let's see what it's called. It's called Tracking Code Manager. So Tracking Code Manager. Okay, so I already have it set up right here. So you just look for Tracking Code Manager and then you install it. So then when you come over here to Settings, you go to Tracking Code Manager, and then you click on Add New Tracking Code. And then you can put in here Facebook Pixel. You hit Control V, which pastes it right in here. I use a Mac, so Control V paste it right in there. It says before the head because that's what Facebook wants. And then you click on standard code tracking in your WordPress. And then what I like to do is in the whole website, pages, posts, everything. So what it does is it just, anything on your WordPress site, it will place this code everywhere on there, and then the pixel will be set up. And then all you have to do is click on save, and it's already set up. I already have one done, so I'm not going to save it. So that's setting up the pixel, and this is setting up the business manager on getting your ads done. The next video we're going to actually jump into, and we're going to place our first ad, walk you through the different ad scenarios, what works and what doesn't, and then you'll see how you can set up your own ad and get your first ad up and running. Okay, so we'll move on to the next video.